We are here in Kotor. It's our first day going on a tour to Perast by boat with the Kotor Tourism Board. They sent us a guide.
Over there, small settlement of Perast, one of the two UNESCO sites on Montenegrin coast, and actually the small town of Perast is the most preserved Baroque settlement on this side of Adriatic Sea. Here in front of Perast we have these two islands which are like the jewels of the bay. Over there we have the island of St. George, which is a natural island, and the island that we're standing on would be the island of Our Lady of the Rock, which is man-made.
It's early, before 7:30, and I have a hiking tour. Gotta start early because it gets hot here. Going uphill way too much. That's gonna be a half a day hike at the top of the mountain. This was a freshwater well from rainwater, so it's safe to drink. So I got a little drink before the tough part. Some berries, and now we're heading up the rough trail. So that's where we came from. A little town there with a little church. Last part of this hill, or mountain, to the top. My shirt is drenched. We made it to the peak of Boka Kotorska. A couple hours, a lot of sweat. My legs are dying. And now it's downhill. This is the other side of the bay. So we're way high up here above the cities. Pretty cool view up here. Alright, we're making our way down. A bunch of zigzags. We're really high up here. Still a long way to go to get down. We made it over 8 miles up some steep hills, down some switchbacks. Oh, every inch of my body is sore and sweaty. Hey, I'm here in Kotor and we're going on a long 12-hour tour with 360 Monte.
We'll be passing definitely the worst road Montenegro had. This is the old part of Montenegro, and the roads are genuine practically as from the time when they were built. We have this Vrmac Peninsula, which is dividing Kotor Bay from Tivat Bay.
Steps to the top here. I think we are at the top, or close to it.